In the beginning, when we started CSR, we wanted to make a difference in a customer's life or a trucker's life. So if you look at our business model itself, we are lending to a driver becoming owner. That itself should become part of the CSR, because the person who do not have a financial track record, we are welcoming and giving him a loan, then encouraging him to become an owner. Yes, CSR means beyond financing, beyond the profit motive. So this is what we feel being in the corporate world and being part of the community. We need to contribute back to the community.
For the last 40 years, Shriram's engagement with the drivers, there has been a lot of learning, and we always felt that the drivers are being, treated as a stigma attached to a truck driver. So we felt that there are a lot more to be done as a responsibility of a corporate which has been doing business with the truck operator and making their, we have been growing with the truck operator. So we felt that there is time to give it back to them. So we have started 3 programs specifically, which eventually will enhance and change the life cycle of the truck operator.
As far as education initiative of CSR is concerned, see, today many government schools, they don't offer free education in most of the cities. Most of the children of this customer segment, due to this affordability, they are not able to pursue their schoolings or then the college education as well. Our objective is to arrest these dropouts at the early stage. So we have instituted this scholarship initiative somewhere in 2013, and we have been consistently identifying the needy students right from 8th standard onwards, and we have been handholding them till they complete the school education.
I am a part of the CSR project that has been initiated by the STFC, mainly for serving the trucker community people. And this project has been running for the past 2 years. We go to places where the trucker community is, trucker population is present, and we do services 6 days in a week. This project has been, after for the past 2 years, I've been seeing this project has benefited a lot of people from the driver community, and because they are the people who don't get the most care from our health services from any part, because they are not present at one place. So they are continuously traveling. So Shriram has been very helpful. The STFC has been very helpful in taking care of this trucker community people.
Shriram Transport Finance Company is doing corporate social responsibility. In this program, they selected the driving sector as the program. In this program, what they are doing is mainly they are sourcing the drivers, mainly the students from the below poverty level, and they give the 35 days of training. In training, they have 4 types of training, and then finally they will take the DL. After that, after DL taken, they are given the job opportunity, the livelihood, because they are from the below poverty people. We have to give them some livelihood for the growth of the family members.
हमारे ट्रक ड्राइवर भाई को पैसा कम मिलता है ऐसी बात नहीं है, लेकिन एक उनको अच्छी सोच देना, अच्छा गाइडलाइन देना, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। 30-35 हज़ार रुपये तो ड्राइवर कमा लेता है, क्लीनर को भी 10-12-15 हज़ार रुपये मिल जाता है। क्लीनर परमानेंट क्लीनर नहीं होता है, वो बाद में वो भी ड्राइवर बन जाता है, तो उसकी भी लाइफ बन जाती है। तो बहुत अच्छी सोच है श्रीराम ग्रुप की, ये आगे बढ़े, हम भी साथ देते रहेंगे ज़रूर।
There's a huge driver shortage, And by addressing this, we are really helping the economy, country to address the driver shortage, and probably it helps the overall community as a whole. We would be taking every year more steps in enhancing in these three specialized activity our presence in the community.